Hello class, welcome to Accounting Learning Hub, and today we are going to be treating an interesting topic, and that is correction of errors. In accounting, while recording our transaction, there could be errors in the account, and as we all know, no one is perfect. So when there is error, how do we identify the error and how can we correct such error? That's why we have this topic. It explains how to identify errors and how to correct errors. We have two different classifications of errors. One is errors that will affect the agreement of a trial balance and errors that do not affect the agreement of a trial balance. For the purpose of this class, we will be discussing errors that do not affect the agreement of a trial balance. We all know that a trial balance is a list of balances from the ledger, and it is used to test the arithmetic accuracy of the ledger. So we normally assume that since a trial balance is balanced, the ledger the ledger is accurate and there is no error. But sometimes this is not the case. There could be error in the ledger and the trial balance will balance. So now let's show some examples of errors that do not affect the agreement of the trial balance. The first one is errors of omission. This particular error, it occurs when we completely omit a transaction in the books of account. That is, we didn't record it in neither the neither in the debit side of the account nor on the credit side of the account. So it was completely omitted from the books of account. Another type of error under this category is error of commission, where we record a transaction in the wrong account but within the same class of account. That is, we record an expense account in another different expense account. Let's say we record a insurance account, transaction for insurance account, we record it in motor expenses account. They are both expenses, but it was recorded in the wrong account. We also have errors of principles. These errors of principle, it occurs when we record a transaction in the wrong class of account. That is, instead of recording a transaction in motor expenses account, we went ahead to record such transaction in motor vehicle account. Motor vehicle is an asset, while motor expenses is an expense. So they are on different class of accounts. We also have errors of original entry. This one is very common because it is when you record a transaction like the wrong amount in the book of account. Instead of recording, let's say 20,000, you record 19,000, abi you record 200,000. That is error of original entry. Wrong amount of transaction was being posted on both credit and debit sides of the account. This could be undercast or overcast. In the subsequent class, we'll be explaining better on these errors. We also have completely reversal error. This one is when you post something that is supposed to be on the credit, you post it on the debit, and the one that was supposed to be on the debit, you post it on the credit. There was a reversal. That is completely reversal error. We also have compensating error. Like the name goes, compensating. When we have two or more errors in our account and they are of the same amount, so the errors will compensate each other and the trial balance will balance. So that is all for today. In the subsequent class, we'll be explaining these types of error one after another and how to correct them. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment and share. Thank you.